All right, here's everything that came in the box. I'm super excited to get this thing together. I was really pleased with this nice shiny paint job on here too. All right, the first step is to connect this piece to this piece right up here. Same thing on the other side, you have a right and left. M1055s and the M1045s. Got the right one here. You can see these things are kind of kicked off to one side. So if you find that your first one doesn't fit, just grab the other one and it'll fit right in there. It's gonna go like this. And you're gonna take your fastener here, the one without the bolt, and it's just gonna go right in here. And your other one is just gonna fit right through here. And it comes with the Allen wrenches that you need too. Go ahead and put this on here, tighten this baby up. Okay, got those two pieces installed. All right, next thing we're gonna do is install the armrest pad here onto the dip handle itself. We're gonna do that with both sides. The screws go right in the bottom there. The next step is to take this piece and attach it to that piece. And we take this line of fasteners here, these are the ones we're gonna use, and we're gonna come up through the bottom of this piece and attach it to that one. Attach it to right there. So there's gonna be 4 fasteners. See the top screws here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are gonna correspond to this right here, here, there, and there. It's gonna set it right on top and run the screws up, the bolts up from the bottom. All right, got those all tightened down and installed. Now we're gonna put these pieces in. This one's gonna go down here on the bottom, and this is gonna go right up here in these holes. You can see those. And we're gonna use these fasteners for this one and for that one. So we're gonna have 8 total, 4 for each. All right, I got those installed and tightened down now. Next, we're gonna go ahead and install these 2 pieces with those fasteners there. The nice thing is that these things can adjust up or down for as high or as low as you want. And we're gonna go ahead and install the pull-up bar using these here. That just threads right into there. Come and take these. And we'll install this next. Use our last 2 fasteners that we have here. Now we're going to go ahead and put this onto here, just like this. All right, now this piece is just going to come right in here. And now we can put this right in here. This thing is sweet. It's a great addition to the home gym here. Love it.